Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com. I'm making this video about my entry and my entry system, how I make the entry. Right? Many people are asking, and I always I'm tired of explaining individually. So I decided to make a video, show that this is what's happening, and all of a sudden I remember, so I says, okay, this is a good time to make one. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you the pound yen trade, not trade, pair, right? What's happening in pound yen 40-minute chart. This is what I use mainly for the direction. So you can see clearly that it's making higher highs and it's a nice trend to the upside, right? And here it went up, retraced, beautiful trades from here I had, right? Then it went up all the way and now retraced back and hitting the TL and then already posted a reversal candle. What is the reversal candle here? After the retracement, if I have a white candle, let me open up a little bit more and then you can see there's a white candle. You see that? This one, right? So this is the white candle, and then it went up and then came down, and then I have to be like in a volume session, right? 2:30, 3 o'clock, London open, right? So this right after this, I need an entry. This white candle is done, finished right now, completed. So I need to go on my 7-minute chart to find the entry. So this is my 7-minute chart. Now, the homework that I have done already is that the 7-minute chart, if you look at it, um, we are just above, around the pivot here, traveling, right? So we don't know if we're going to go up or down. That 40-minute reversal candle decide, right? So we already decided that we're going to go up. Okay, no problem. It can make the turn again when London open up, right? Right now it's 2:30, 2:58, so 2 more minutes for London open. But right now it is going to the upside nicely. So look at the daily range of this pair, 236. Yesterday, it moved 198 pip. The daily range means that average every single day, it moves from bottom to top or top to bottom, 236 pip, all around it, right? Just like yesterday, it did 200. So today, it can also do 200, right? So what will happen? What will happen is that if this thing start to go to the upside, I need my long setup from 7-minute chart. There are rules, regulations, right? So I have to follow that. If all of those, let's say if I get the entry here, now measure that these two vertical lines, these black lines, dotted lines. This is one day. This is going to be the 25th September, starting from here, ending here, right? So far we are here. So what happened is that this is the low of the day so far, and this is high of the day so far, which we are about to break. Now, to daily range from the high 200, let's see. From here, the yellow mark I have is like 150. So from the bottom, you can see that it is 225 pip, right? Daily range. From the top, the daily range ends here, 230 pip, right? So I marked the daily range area, the what's happening. So now to achieve the daily range, either the price has to go above this and here or break this low and come down here. That would be the daily range completed, right? So which way is going? Right now, it looks like that it's going to go to the upside, right? Yeah, see, it's going down powerfully. So on a 7-minute chart, this is what it is. And then I have to have my EA, which is not there. Let me put that EA here and I'm going to move on and look for something else. So right now, I mean, I can take the entry right now because it's breaking the high of the day already. Three powerfully going to the upside. So I'm going to just open. Even sometimes without the setup, you can open the trade. So I'm just showing you that how confident I am to open the trade here. Right? It will go up and then drop a little bit, right? Make my long setup and then go. That's fine. But this is how it is. Similarly, if I show you here that what happened to euro yen, yen pair at the same time. So this is euro yen. It already made the reversal candle here and it started to go up, right? So same principles I apply here and I look for a long entry right after when 925, 412, right? 412. Today, 412. So I'll go to 7-minute chart and I saw the entry was already there, right? I found the entry, not I found the entry, my EA found the entry, right? So this is the 7-minute chart of euro yen. You can see that it nice and clean. It went up. 412 is right here, right? So after that, this was a good entry. Then this is a good entry. But The time was not right. So Frankie open now right here. See this? This is like around 9:20. So yeah, after Frankie open, that's fine. The volume comes a little bit, right? London is about to open. It already opened just now, 1 minute into the London session. So if we continue go to the upside, again the drama is same. These two lines, one represent 1 day, right? This is the low of the day. This is the high of the day. It was the high of the day, right? So the idea was that we were traveling above the pivot line. So if we break this, we need to go for the daily range. Now this pair has a daily range is 185 pip. So I marked the target, the daily range target. 125 pip is coming here to the downside, coming here. So we broke above this, right? And then now it looks like that we're gonna go up. So my EA already took this entry. Beautiful long setup, right? And the entry was taken. SL in front of you, I'm gonna SL actually EA has the function that when 25 pip positive, SL moves to break even plus. So SL is already at the entry, like break even, right? If I continue to go to the upside, that's it. So how many pips so far? So far 31, and then from here to the hitting target is 114 pip trade. Easy peasy, right? That happens every day in every pair. So you have to do the homework, right? Of course, daily range of every single thing, every single pair is different. Euro USD daily range is 75 pip, right? That's why I don't trade that. And so many people ask me, oh, most traded pair and this and that. Why don't you trade? This is why I don't trade. I rather trade 236 pip range pound yen or 200 pip pound Aussie or 150 pip pound USD than 75 pip Euro USD, right? So if we continue going to the upside, this is my target in Euro Yen. This is my target in. See, I open just to show you, but see, it stop and it's gonna drop and it's gonna make me a long setup, and that's the one. Whoops, the E is not there, so I'm gonna put the E here. Where the heck is that EA? And the EA is CTS5 live. It's right there. All I had to do is boom, it's done. It's there. So as soon as I have the entry, right? The entry rules are yellow line has to be above the black. This indicator need to be all the way down and coming out, and price making a higher low, which is already there, and the red candles turning blue, and the EA will open the trade. And then SL will be placed around maybe 20 pip, 15 to 20 pip. And when the price move 20, 25 pip in my favor, SL will automatically move to break even function. Let me see, let me show you. You see that? Pips move to BE, 25 pip. Take profit, I leave it open. I decide according to the daily range and all of that, right? The stop loss is 25 pip maximum. I can, 7-minute chart usually should not be more than 15 or 20, but, for the safe side, right? So this is the settings on my expert advisor here, automatic robot. Now see, it is coming down here. I'm going to close this, right? And then I'll show you that how it takes the entry, if it is going to take the entry, because the entry rules are about to complete, right? So let's close this or leave it open. Leave it open. I'm going to put this thing below the daily range, and sorry, daily pivot. But in fact, let's take here. So how many pip SLs right now? Because I made the wrong entry, that's why it's going to be more. So it's 50. Well, I don't need that much. I don't want to lose that much, right? So here, just below the pivot, right? It should make the long entry below the pivot and then go or. So it says like 30, 35 pip, right? So let's see if we can hold above this level here, which is 192.46. And then if we go to the upside, I have my entry already, or it is going to take another entry, another setup, another entry. I'll open that as well, no problem. And then we go to the upside. It looks like so far that is going to go to the upside. And I just showed you that how many pip trade I am expecting, where is the daily range, what happened usually in this pair. So every pair has a daily range. I do my homework. See this going to the upside now? Blue candle already going. So this is going over there. Where? Into this area. Even if I close on this level here, 193.53, My entry is right there in front of you, right? So it from here to here is going to be 90 pip trade, which is enough, right? And if you have especially 2 or 3 trade running, sometime I get 5 at the same time because I don't open the trade. All I do is my homework already ahead of time, right? And all this, the day open, the day close, where the daily open line is, where the daily pivot is, and then high of the day, low of the day, and where the targets are according to the daily range, and then SNR levels. Some of those important levels I draw. White lines are SNR level, right? And that's it. That's all there is. And then when the volume comes, the price will take off in some one direction. The 40-minute chart tells you mostly that where the direction is right now currently. And here, since this September 16, the direction is up, right? This is where the September 16, just so almost now from September 16 to September 25th, that direction is still up, up, up. So all we had to do is that every time we retrace down here, this indicator is down here, and then as soon as the reversal candle posted, look for 7-minute entry, take it all the way go. So see from here to here, this level, the move, how much is this? Watch, 70 pip trade. How much is this trade? You make the entry from here, that's 165 pip trade. You see that? So 40-minute chart is the one. So this one, you can easily pick, 40, 45, 50 pip trade from here. From here to this high, 72, sorry. 72 pip trade. From here to here, it was, see that? 105 pip trade. And so far, this one, I am in here somewhere. Let me just measure that. Let me go there. Okay, now where the heck is my euro yen? All right, see entry. So far already I am in 40 pip. A lot of people, there was a guy asking me that if I buy your system, can I make 50 pip a week? And I was like, what the heck? It's like, what am I supposed to say? I mean, 50 pip, you can, make several times a day, 50 pip shots. It depends on the news, what news coming, and London session is starting, and then you have news schedule. Every time the news schedule news comes out, if it is better than expected or worse than expected, what happened? It moves. Those pairs that related to that relevant pairs with that currency, right? For example, the pound news is coming out, then pound yen, pound Aussie, pound USD, pound CAD, pound Aussie, they all will be affected, right? So you watch something like that. If you have done homework, it's easy peasy. Take the entry, just hold on, sitting on a break even. When the prices hit the target, close the trade. That's all there is, right? So if you want to learn this whole thing, I'm just showing you. I'm gonna pause the recording of this video, and I will come back and I'll show you that if it hits my target or not, or where we end up after a few hours, right? And like I said, that if you want to learn all of this mumbo jumbo, then go on my website, subscribe. I have packages, combos, like, this 1, 2, 3, 4, God knows how many combos here. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. There was supposed to be one more, but so anyway, so this one is like, lifetime membership, one-on-one from me, over the Zoom, coaching, Elliott Wave course, harmonic pattern course, blah, blah, blah. And that EA worth $500 alone, that opens up the trade, which just opened this trade right here in front of you, right? See this arrow? That is EA opening the trade, that expert advisor. Since I opened this here manually, it's not going to open the trade. One trade at a time per pair. One trade at a time, this EA will open. It's not going to add position or anything. You can add manually, but yeah, this one, if Euro Yen opened the trade already here, right? That's it. And I'm sitting on the break even, safe side. If it comes down, then it is going there, right? So it's gonna go and down and then below this, and then give me a short entry, just like this long entry. He is gonna give me the short entry somewhere here, and from here I'll take it to this target here, and that's again 140 pip trade. Who needs 140 pip, right? Even here, 100 pip. S1. So it doesn't matter if it goes here or here. This pair has a big range. So, picking up 100 pip trade, piece of cake in front of you right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the recording. And once I achieve the target on this one and pound yen, here, either this one or that's this one. Then I'll show you my trade, right? This one, I have this like 30 pip here, right? So because I opened the trade manually just to show, right? If it is open by the book, usually what happens is that I come and sit on a break even and then price comes back. If the price comes back and hit my sell, I'm out at break even. Here, I'm going to lose 30 pip, which I don't care because I already have made, over this a couple of days, uh, many trades. So this is how I take my entries. This is how I take the trades. And let me just go now and pause the recording, and I will come back once I am close to the target. All right. So talk to you soon. Hello, everyone. This is Sam here. I'm back resuming the video recording of these yen pairs I started a little while ago, right? So let's go take a look one by one. The euro yen right now, you see that this is the entry I made manually, but I said that when it's going to drop, and then I'll make another entry, proper entry. So I did that. So I have this entry here and I have this entry here, right? So this is entry is already positive. Not much, but it's like 16 pip, and I'm about to break the high, and then the target is obviously, remember I showed you two sides. If you go down, the target would be this, and if you go up, this is the target, right? So even here, my first entry, right, for example, this one to this white line, this is a level here, 193.53. I'll be making 107 pip trade. All the way here, that would be 155 pip trade, right? So let's see what happens. This one, pound yen.